Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a basic makeup tutorial for beginners. So we're starting out with our eyebrows, and I'm using Essence Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil, and next I'm going in with Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to clean my brows. And then for the inner corners on the top part of my brows, I usually use my foundation, and the foundation I'm going in with is the Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours Wear and L'Oreal Paris concealer, just to create a base for my eyeshadow. Blend that in, and I go in with Catrice Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, starting with this light orange color, just to give my eyelids some warmth. Then before I go in with my deep colors, I'm using this black on the outer corners. Then I'm going to blend it in lightly with the brown. And for the innermost corner, I have to brighten it again with some more concealer before I place the brighter shade of eyeshadow. So I'm going in with this, and look at how it's giving. You see the color mix? That is just what we're looking for. So I go in with this She Glam primer. This primer is so good. It gives you that grip, the way it grips my makeup products, guys. So I blend in my foundation. I'm using that Essence Stay All Day foundation that I talked about, and I go ahead with Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to brighten my under eyes, my forehead, my chin, my bridge of my nose, and then I add some more concealer, brighter shade from the L'Oreal Paris on the inner corners, just to help brighten it very well, and also slim that nose. And then I apply blush, blend that in. I will go ahead to set. I set the areas that I brighten with this smooth loose powder, and then I contour my nose using Fit Me powder in 2 shades darker than my normal skin tone. And then I set the rest of my face with smooth setting powder, and I go in with Maybelline setting spray. I apply some bronzer, I highlight my nose, and I also fix my eyeshadow, and I stick on some eyelashes. Apply lip liner. This also goes well as a lip liner, this Essence Brow Pencil, and I double it with the Rimmel London lip liner, just to give that shade mix. And my lipstick, then I go in with Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss. This is pretty much it, and thank you all for watching. Bye.